Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. As Venice's population declines, city expands efforts to manage tourism.
Venice's historic center has fallen below 48,000 residents, a sharp decline from more than 100,000 just decades ago. Rising housing costs and limited jobs push locals away, even as the city collects millions from the new entry fees aimed at curbing mass tourism.
Friuli Venezia Giulia enters Fortnite to promote regional tourism.
Friuli Venezia Giulia is the first Italian region to enter Fortnite. From September 20th, players can explore Trieste, Udine, Pordenone, Gorizia and Palmanova inside the game. The project, created with Turismo FVG and Novo Esports, will also feature a tournament and the final will be disputed in Milan.
Siamo la prima regione in Italia che si presenta e si sponsorizza attraverso un videogioco come Fortnite, che voglio ricordare è uno dei più seguiti al mondo. Vedevo i dati, non ci credevo neanche io, 1/3 degli italiani gioca a Fortnite.
Trieste prepares for Barcolana 57, the world's largest sailing regatta.
Trieste is preparing for Barcolana 57, the world's largest sailing regatta. Beginning October 1st, the festival brings nearly 600 events across Friuli Venezia Giulia, from Grado to Lignano, leading up to the main race on Sunday, October 12th. This year's edition focuses on inclusivity, environmental awareness, and community, with highlights ranging from youth and women in sailing.
It's a very important event for Trieste, but also for Generali. It's more than 40 years that we actually are the presenting partner and the main sponsor of this wonderful event, which I think it's a very important event that shows the main assets and qualities of this wonderful city.
This year, Women in Sailing is not only an award for the woman who's leading a team in Barcolana, who also gets a coaching journey here with the Academy of Generali, but it's also a project that we do with all the sailing clubs in the region to work together with the trainers and the kids to see what we can do practically to support the development of mixed teams in sailing.
In Trieste, a hydrogen hub rises in the ruins of heavy industry.
Trieste has launched construction of the Green Hydrogen Hub, a €20 million initiative partly funded by EU Horizon and Italy's PNRR. With a projected output of 370 tons of green hydrogen per year, the project positions Trieste at the forefront of Italy's and Europe's green energy transition.
Una realizzazione che ci riempie d'orgoglio. Uno, perché siamo tra i primi, se non i primi in Italia, a fare investimenti di questo tipo. Due, perché abbiamo avuto la capacità in tempi record di mettere a terra dei fondi PNRR.
Hundreds gathered in Trieste to protest against the ongoing genocide in Gaza on Friday, September 19. Thousands gathered across Italy and in Trieste to protest against the ongoing genocide in Gaza on Friday, September 19. I think it's important to be here today.
To support Gaza, to support the children in Gaza, to support the normal people in Gaza, to stand with them. And I am very happy to see all these people here, because they are here. It's meaning they listen and they hear the voices for the children, for the oldest women and men and the youngest people. I'm from Gaza. I am in the south of Gaza.
A major Tolkien exhibition opens in Trieste.
A major exhibition dedicated to J.R.R. Tolkien opens on September 19th at the Salone degli Incanti in Trieste. Titled Tolkien, Man, Professor, Author, it explores the personal, academic and creative life of the writer behind The Lord of the Rings. On display for the first time in Italy is Tolkien's original Oxford academic robe, alongside rare manuscripts, letters, photographs and more than 100 original illustrations inspired by his work.
In Trieste, electric bus highlights Mobility Week.
In Trieste's Piazza Unità, an electric bus was showcased for European Mobility Week. The event, organized by Trieste Trasporti with the city, highlighted sustainable transport and digital services.
today Trieste Trasporti want to present to all the citizens this app. Is not new. We have it from a few months and have thousands and thousands of people who have this app. With this app, we use the mobility as a service, as we call it in this way. So you can book the bus or the bike or the train with only one technological instrument. This is very useful for the people and for the service.
L'amministrazione comunale ha organizzato dal 16 fino al... No, we are here, Maria, to promote bike sharing in Trieste during the European Mobility Week, all together with Trieste Trasporti, that is the subject who take service about the bike.
Okay. Why is it a great opportunity for Triestini and not?
For a better quality life, to promote diversity, mobility.
Pordenone Legge Festival opens with focus on freedom and diversity of ideas.
The 26th edition of Pordenone Legge has opened in Pordenone, celebrating books, ideas, and freedom of expression. The festival brings together writers, thinkers, and the community, creating a space for dialogue and the exchange of diverse perspectives.
Sì, effettivamente è così, è una città festival. Noi la chiamiamo così perché tutta la città si stringe intorno al nostro festival, si colora di giallo, che è il colore che ci contraddistingue.
What's it like to be an angel for Pordenone Legge?
It is an amazing experience. It's my first year of being an angel of Pordenone Legge.
Why is it important as an author to be here today?
Because it is a really important national and international moment for the culture to be known.
The Italian Ministry of Culture has acquired the Casa del Mutilato in Pordenone, said to become a multimedia museum of the 20th century. Culture Minister Alessandro Giuli made the announcement at the Pordenone Legge Literary Fest, praising the city as a model of culture.
Scoprire che Pordenone è un gioiello significa rappresentare la possibilità per le tante altre Pordenone d'Italia di avanzare nelle graduatorie della conoscenza, della visibilità e anche della valorizzazione da parte di Roma e del potere centrale.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.